Not recording.
All right, it's been about 10 minutes. He's still trying to figure out how to get the tire off.
This is the key.
Come on, show me how it works.
I just had it.
We ain't got all night here.
What happened? I just had the right one. What the heck? What am I doing wrong here? I just had it.
I don't even know if I have enough space on the camera for this. Hey, aren't those lock
Yeah.
lug nuts? So maybe start with that.
Oh yeah, duh. That's what I was doing wrong. Still don't go. Oh.
Here, hold it. Give me that. I'm trying to look through a camera. This is weird.
What did you do?
I put it together how you're supposed to do it. There you go.